Hello! Here is our assignment for today. This is going to be part of our 10 Fat Turkeys book. Yay! Now, if you're at distance learning and working at home, you'll be doing this later, but we're doing it today in class. So, 10 fat turkeys. So, you'll be getting this. You need your glue stick, scissors, and a black crayon. Boom! And then while you're working, I'll also supply you with an orange beak. And the orange beak, I'll get to you as we're moving. It was too small to staple. So go ahead and carefully pull out. It doesn't matter how you do it because this thing will not be where we're cutting. So, I want you to watch first. Watch me first. So, Mr. K, do not hand out any of the work until they've seen this part. All right, you guys watching? You're gonna cut out the turkey body. Okay, now, you're gonna cut this out as one piece. You are not going to cut anything off. You need one big piece. This will be the head, neck, and the body. Okay. So just like that. Okay? Now, I have given you 4 feather pieces, and you'll get a beak. So, do you see how we can see this black stuff? I'd prefer if you didn't see black stuff. So, I want you to write your name on this one. You know what? So, write your name on this. Mr. K. And this is how I'll know whose this is, because I'm going to give them back later. I'm going to put them up in the bulletin board in the hallway, and then you're going to flip this over. And this is what we're going to work on. Okay, so very carefully start cutting out your feathers. And I used only fall colors. So the only color feather you didn't get was a brown one, but since this whole body's brown, that's it. Cut out all of the feathers. So this is what it should look like. You should have all these pieces. Now I'm gonna go ahead and arrange these, and I'm gonna wait while you guys finish cutting, but there's a lot of ways we can do a turkey. So we can arrange these like this, right? And then we'll put the turkey, put some glue on this part, or maybe on this part, and we'll glue it like that. But I want you to keep on cutting. Keep on cutting. Ten fat turkeys fooling on a fence. Looky, says a silly turkey swinging from a vine. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, whoops, there are 9. Looky, squawks a goofy turkey trying to roller skate. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, oops, now there are 8. Looky, calls a foofy turkey flapping to blue heaven. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, oopsie, there are 7. So I am reading this while you cut stuff out, okay? 7. Looky, cries another turkey balancing some bricks. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, uh-oh, there are 6. Looky hoots a brother turkey swanning a swan dive. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Uh-oh, there are 5. Looky whoops another turkey strutting on a boar. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oh dear, there are 4. Looky hollers out a turkey swallowing a bee. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Mercy, there are 3. Looky howls a goony turkey whistling in a shoe. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Uh-oh, there are 2. Looky shouts a loony turkey blowing bubble gum. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Popo, now there is 1. Looky yells the plumpest turkey jumping up and down. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. That's all. There are none. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Do a noodle dance. No more turkeys. Crash, bang. And no more fence. Just a minute. What is this? Bibble, babble, jibble, jobble. Looky, look at me. 10 fat turkeys fooling in a tree. The end. So, you should probably have these out, cut it out by now. And there's a lot of different things you can do. You can put them on like this. And what did I do with my beak? I have his beak like this. Or you can have him like this. With his beak like this. So you have a lot of choices, but let's go ahead and go on to this side where you wrote our name. And I'm going to just do a regular standard turkey. Glue, glue, glue. Now these are being glued on to the back of the turkey, okay? Because we don't want to see where they hook up. So I'll do like a orange feather, yellow feather, red feather, and another orange feather. All right, so if you get those all pushed down, you flip it over, and it actually makes it look like these things are behind. These are kind of the big feathers in the back of the male turkey that they put up basically to impress the girl turkeys. Now, put some glue on the beak. Now you can put the beak here, or you can put the beak here, here, here. Doesn't matter. Now, this is where the black crayon comes into place. Give them 1, 2 eyes, and you can make them funny eyes. You can make him goofy eyes. So if I like put the pupils in 2 different places, he looks kind of goofy, huh? And maybe I will come by and I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of a waddle. A waddle is this red part. And it kind of hangs up from his nose and goes down over his beak. So that's gonna be our crazy little turkey. And our crazy little turkey is going to go out into the hallway. And maybe if you feel like it, you can, I don't know. All right? So this is our gobble gobble wobbly turkey. So if you give him crazy eyes, he'll definitely look like one of our crazy turkeys from our 10 Fat Turkeys book. Okay? So, I'll definitely do this again. But remember, cut it out, you glue them on the back, flip it over, nose. Usually I do googly eyes, but the googly eyes always fall off in the hallway, so we're not doing that today. And I'm going to start this video again if you need extra help. Now, if you're done, this stuff goes in the garbage. Okay? This comes to me. Do not sit at your desk and cut and cut and cut and cut, or else you can stand at lunch recess and clean up everybody's mess. Okay? Just because you have scissors does not mean you just sit there and cut and cut and cut. Okay,